What's up everyone? Today I'll be coloring my hair using Colorista by Loreal. I have the Bleach all over kit, the pink and purple hair dye. I want to get my hair as blonde as possible, so that's why I'm using their bleach kit, and hopefully I'll get that color, but probably not. We'll see what happens. Alright, right here I just wanted to show you guys me actually applying the bleach to my hair. And I decided to bleach my hair with braids in my head because it was, well, I thought it would be a little bit easier for me to apply it and actually get every strand covered. So this is me after I rinsed out the bleach. I did not achieve the lightest bleach color that I would have hoped for, but that's okay. So right now I'm just separating the back of my hair from the front. That's going to basically tell me where I need to color my hair purple and where I need to color my hair pink. I chose the back half section to be colored purple, just because I like a little darker shade at the bottom. So here's the purple. And now I'm going in with the pink color at the top. I really did like these products. It was pretty easy. The instructions were great. I will say to definitely, before you use the products, do a allergy test for yourself to see if you're allergic to any of the chemicals that are in these products, because it does get a bit messy. So this is me after I have washed all the color out. I'm just taking a really good look at it, and I actually did end up missing a couple of braids, and you'll see that when I turn around. I'm going to show you. But this is how the purple turned out at the bottom, and then the pink. Here I am turning around, kind of showing you the spots that I did miss in the back that are blonde. So that's okay. When I color my hair again, I'll just try to get those a little better than I did before, and that's why I chose to do braids, because I always end up missing the section. So for a conditioner, I'm using the Curl and Shine by Shea Moisture, and actually the bleaching kit came with a anti-bronze conditioner that I use, and hopefully that will help my hair not get as bronze. Anyway, I love the product, and I hope to show you more videos of me coloring my hair. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe.